Difference between Linux versus other operating systems. There are several key differences between Linux and other popular operating systems, such as Windows and Mac operating systems. Below is a comparison across different aspects, such as ownership and licensing. Linux is developed under GNU General Public License, meaning anyone can view, modify, and distribute its code. Most Linux distributions are free to download and use with optional paid support services. But whereas coming to Windows or Mac OS, they are developed and a closed source operating systems. Users cannot view or modify its source code. And next, Linux, coming to customization, Linux users can modify almost every aspect of the system, from the kernel to the user interface. Different distributions offer varying degrees of customization. Whereas coming to Windows, users can change themes, wallpapers, and basic UI elements, but underlying system cannot be easily altered. Whereas Mac operating system, Apple provides a sleek and polished interface with limited customization options, focusing on user experience consistency. Coming to security, Linux has strong security features like user privilege separation, robust permissions, and frequent updates. It has fewer vulnerabilities, making it less prone to malware and viruses. Whereas Windows, being the most widely used operating system, Windows is frequent target for malware and viruses. It relies heavily on antivirus software for protection. Whereas Mac operating system is built on a Unix-based foundation and includes solid security features. It's less targeted by malware than Windows, but still faces some risks. Coming to software and applications, for Linux, as it's an open source software, most of the software for Linux is open source and free. Popular package managers make it easy to install and manage software. And coming to Windows, Windows has the largest library of commercial and proprietary software, including popular games and enterprise software like Adobe Creative Cloud, AutoCAD, and Microsoft Office. Mac OS, like Windows, Mac OS has a library of commercial software, but it is also known as creative and design tools like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro. Coming to hardware support, Linux runs on a broad range of hardware, from personal computers and servers to embedded systems like routers and IoT devices. However, it may have limited support for certain proprietary drivers. Whereas Windows support a wide range of hardware out of the box and works with most manufacturers' proprietary drivers. Mac OS is designed exclusively for Apple's hardware, and it doesn't officially support installation on non-Apple devices. Coming to user interface and user experience, Linux distributions offer various desktop environments, allowing users to customize the look and feel of their system. Some Linux distributions can be challenging for beginners, though user-friendly distros like Ubuntu, Linux Mint ease the learning process. Coming to Windows has a familiar and consistent user interface, which is easy to use for most people, making it common choice for everyday users. Windows is designed for the ease of use with features like a start menu, taskbar, and built-in troubleshooting tools. Coming to Mac OS has a sleek, visually appealing user interface known for its consistency and ease of use. Mac OS is designed to integrate seamlessly with other Apple products such as iPhones and iPads, providing a unified experience.